Hello, everybody, and welcome. I wanted to go live before you all today to discuss my upcoming motion, my thoughts on it. We only have a few minutes here, so I will give you my thoughts on it. So, one, I finally got notice after I had to follow up with the court to get a link for the upcoming motion. Of course, I have been not consenting and telling them that everything is done via coactus and under duress, and I do not consent to participate in this process. Therefore, if I'm not consenting to it, then it's all invalid in my opinion anyways. But they finally did give me a link, so I will be attending today. What do I expect to happen today? And maybe I'll do another video later today where I will go into more details. But what do I expect that will happen today? Basically, I expect that they will ignore me. I think that I'm in many ways a little too advanced for what their understanding of things. I don't know how they're going to react to my power of attorney and general executor form that I submitted. I doubt they're even going to read my affidavit. They'll probably ignore my constitutional challenges, although I will be pretty insistent on them because I do truly believe that my constitutional rights are being trampled on and trampled on for almost a decade. Right, so I will push for that, even though I expect that they will ignore that. The jurisdiction question, of course, they can't touch that because then, the emperor has no clothes, right? The Wizard of Oz, pay no attention to the man standing in the black dress before you, right? So they're not going to touch jurisdiction. They're going to continue to claim that they have jurisdiction over me, a man, forever and ever and ever. Doesn't matter where I live, doesn't matter what I rescind, doesn't matter that I want to get out of it, doesn't matter. They will claim jurisdiction over me forever and ever and ever because it's a fraud, right? They have to. That's how they get paid, and they're not going to like me coming and knocking on their door and saying, excuse me, can you please provide evidence, right? Hey, Emperor, you have no clothes, right? They don't want me to do that. So they'll probably ignore that, and last time they brushed me off to, oh, you can go ask jurisdiction in front of the court. Oh, I'm sorry, you want me to go to my oppressors and ask them if they in fact have authority to oppress me? Yeah, right, guys. So I think they're going to ignore that. The money issue is going to be interesting. They might penalize me heavily because they're a bunch of tyrants, right? They can do whatever they want. They come up with these draconian rules. So they can punish me for money. I will, if they do that, as general executor, I have, and power of attorney, I have explicitly stated that I do not respect any attacks on the property of the estate. So I will push back, and I'll do what I need to do to end these attacks on my property. So we'll see. My argument regarding the Bill of Exchange Act, I expect that they won't even know what I'm talking about, and they'll ignore it. And yeah, but that's that. They won't know what's going on with that, and they'll just ignore it. I expect to be ignored today, probably put on mute. I'm gonna put up a good show because I'm 100% confident, convinced of my position, right? And with conviction, I don't see how I can lose. So they can pretend that whatever word tricks they play, right? Whatever magic spells they want to say. The truth is the truth, and the truth will beat these magic spells, right? At the end of the day, the Wizard of Oz was found to be an old man hiding behind a costume. And so we'll see, but I am proud of where I got. I'm happy with my materials. I'm happy with my understanding of the law at this point in time. I will continue to learn. There's a lot of things about that I'm still not, as comfortable with as I would like to be, so I will continue to learn. Maybe I'll document that learning as well. But I'm happy. I'm excited. The last time that I went, well, the first time that I went in front of these people, the first time I went in front of the Wizard of Oz, it was terrible. I thought he really was a wizard. I thought that I had just been, like I was being tried for murder. It was just one of the worst experiences of my life. The last one was better. My understanding of the law was better. I didn't let the justices trample on me. This one I think will be the best one yet. I will let you guys know how it goes, but I'm pretty confident about it. I'm pretty confident in my ability to speak about it, and I'm pretty confident about my position. What I'm not confident about, of course, is that these judges think that they're Caesar and they just write magic words on a piece of paper, and we have to live by them, even if those words on a piece of paper have no bearing in law or in reality. They think they're Caesar, right? And who is the emperor who made his who made his horse a senator, right? You can't predict what crazy people will do. So hopefully the justice that I have today will not be crazy. Hopefully he'll understand my lawful position, and hopefully I'll have a good result to share with all of you. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I will talk to you all later.